Hey guys, you like my hair? I look like a pineapple. How to do stuff with Zak and Bam! What up, you guys? Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to do a little science experiment. We're going to grow our own crystals. Ooh! Ah! Sparkly, shiny, beautiful. In nature, crystals form when hot liquid cools down. The molecules come together and grow into different shapes. This is how we get gemstones like diamonds and rubies. The earth makes hot lava. When the lava turns cold, crystals grow. Do you know that you can simulate this process at home? Here's how. Get a glass jar, some pipe cleaner, some food coloring, a stick, or pencil, a pot like water, and some pee. Huh? Some pee? Yeah, P word. Pasta? No. Pickles? No. Pancakes? No. Patience. Oh, okay. You need patience. You can use salt or sugar, but borax is the best. Yeah, borax makes the best crystals. Let's do this! Take your pipe cleaner and make a shape. You can make any shape you want. I made a spiral. Attach it to the stick. Fill your jar up with water. Now for a splash of color. I'm gonna use red and yellow to make orange. Whoa! Whoa! Stir it up. Adult supervision alert! Adult supervision alert! Adult supervision alert! Adult supervision alert! Get a grown up to help you with this part. You don't want to burn yourself. Pour liquid in the pot. Whoa! Look at it. Bring the water to a boil. No eating popcorn in the hall. Start adding borax at 12 to 15 tablespoons. Keep stirring it up. Stir it, stir it, stir it, stir it, stir it, stir it.
A few minutes later.
Ooh, science! It looks like science. Yeah! Pour the borax solution into the jar. Careful, careful. Suspend the pipe cleaner in the solution. Make sure the pipe cleaner doesn't touch the sides or the bottom. Now place the jar in the dark place and forget about it. Let it sit for like 8 hours. Patience! When the liquid cools down, the crystals start growing.
8 hours later. The next day.
Yeah, crystals are fun to make, and they make great gifts. Thanks for watching our video. We hope our channel is growing on you. And don't forget to subscribe and crystallize the like button. Oh yeah, click the notification bell down here. Enjoy your crystals. Gotta go. Peace. Now suspend the pipe cleaner.